Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. Happy Friday, everyone. And was it really the best quarter ever for a bank, as some analysts are saying? JP Morgan, of course, released their quarterly earnings this morning that pushed well past analyst expectations. Helped by double-digit growth in deposits and record credit card sales, the company reported fourth quarter earnings of $1.71 a share versus estimates of $1.44 a share on revenue of $24.3 billion. Its stock price edged higher in intraday trading this morning, but has since backed off this afternoon. Jamie Dimon came out and said in the call, our results this quarter were strong and were a strong end to the record year, reflecting our intense client focus and solid performance across our businesses, citing a U.S. economy that may be building momentum going into the new year. With that, let's take a quick look at the markets of where we stand this week. S&P is currently trading at 2,274 with a chart analysis score plus 75, really unchanged for the day. Key level to watch for the S&P 500 next week will be 2,233.62. If we were to move below that level, we would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a sidelines position. Moving along to gold, currently trading at 1,194.92, creeping up on that 1,200 range for a close today. Currently up about 0.25%, chart analysis score plus 60 with a green weekly and green daily trade triangle. Key level to watch for gold will be 1,177.82. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. Moving along to the Dow, currently trading 19,876.50, relatively unchanged for the day with a chart analysis score plus 55, the green monthly and green weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch next week for the Dow will be 19,718.67. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. NASDAQ currently trading at 5,577, up about 0.5% today. Chart analysis score plus 100, mostly boosted by Facebook's news today that it was upgraded as a buy. Key level to watch for the NASDAQ next week will be 5,371.89. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. Dollar index has been coming under pressure this week, currently trading at 101.23. There's the weekly trade triangle I talked about on Monday. It came in at 101.29, indicating a move to the sidelines position. Currently trading with a chart analysis score -70 with a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch for the dollar index next week will be 103.81. A move back above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the long position. Crude oil currently trading at 52.58 with a chart analysis score -60 with a red weekly and a red daily trade triangle. Key level to watch for crude oil will be 53.50. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to the sideline positions in the crude oil market. And with that, we'll take a look at a couple bank stocks that I mentioned on Monday that recorded earnings. Wells Fargo today. We actually issued a red weekly trade triangle at 54.47. Currently trading at 54.95 with a chart analysis score -55 with a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch for Wells Fargo this week would be 56.35. A move above 56.35 would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a long position for Wells Fargo. It was trading as high as 56.20, so it definitely tested that level this morning. Might be something to watch on Monday when the market's open to kind of see where Wells Fargo stands. Moving back to JP Morgan, of course, the best quarter for stock or bank stock ever, as some were dubbing it today. We're going to turn off the daily trade triangles here and kind of open up this chart a little and just kind of show you the power of the trade triangles for you that are new to the system to see. And we'll turn on the drawing tool here, and you can see right here we issued a weekly trade triangle on October 5th at 67.90, indicating a move to a long position for JP Morgan following the rules of the trade triangles of using the monthly and the weekly to trade stocks. It has since then moved up from 67.90 to its current level of 86.41, booking a nice profit. Now, key level to watch next week for JP Morgan, if you want to set your stop, would be 85.04. 85.04 would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. However, with the news today, I would highly doubt that that's going to be the case. Then moving along, we'll take a look at Bank of America as well. You can kind of see in that same range, October 4th, we issued a green weekly trade triangle at 15.94, indicating a move to the long position for Bank of America. Currently trading at 22.95 with a chart analysis score plus 90. Key level to watch next week for Bank of America would be 21.77. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to the sidelines position. Now to wrap up our look at the markets today with key levels for next week. Everybody have a happy weekend. Enjoy the extended weekend, and I will talk to you on Tuesday. Every success.